Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the SIM is active and mobile data is on. That avoids chasing network faults. Once connected, open Settings and navigate to SIM and Network, then access point names. You must create a new APN entry instead of editing the default. This preserves a fallback. Enter a clear name, then the APN string shown for Bsnl. Make sure you can type without autocorrect changing dots or underscores, because exact characters matter for a proper connection. Now you populate the detailed fields. APN value should match Bsnl recommended string, and APN type should include default and supl so DNS and GPS assistance work. Once done, set the APN protocol to IP4/IP6 or IP4 depending on device compatibility. This affects how IP addresses are assigned. Make sure MCC and MNC match the SIM or autofill. Incorrect codes prevent registration. Save the new profile, then select it to become active before testing data. After saving, select the new APN and cycle airplane mode to force a fresh network attach. Then open a browser or speed test to verify connectivity. If pages don't load, restart the phone and confirm the APN remains selected. Also check preferred network is set to 4G/LTE. If it still fails, reset APNs to default and recreate the entry, or contact Bsnl support. Give them your SIM ICSID and device model so they can provision your account correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.